folks, I hope you're well. In this video, we're going to combine using the wait block, the start on bump block, and the repeat forever block. The story behind this project is Kitten and a Tick playing tag in the park. So first thing we need to do is change the background. So we go to the background button, select the park, press the tick button to select it. Next, we're going to add another character. So let's find Tick. There they are. Select Tick and press the tick button. And what we're going to do, then we're going to move them to opposite ends of the background so that they can move towards each other. So first, we're going to code Kitten. So what we want Kitten to do is go to the yellow category first of all and get the green start flag. We're then going to go to the orange category and control Kitten's speed. We want them to run fast, so we select the fast option out of the 3 different ones we have for speed. Next, what we're going to do is going to go to the blue category and select the movement block to the right, because we want Kitten to move to the right towards Tick. Once they get to Tick, we want them to go back to where they are and run away from Tick once they've tagged them. We also then want a wait block because we want Kitten to wait to give Tick time to get to them. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add, instead of the end red block, we're going to go to the red category and use this block, which is the repeat forever block. So we want this game to go on and on and on. Right, let's add our grid so we know how far we need to, or what numbers we need to add in our movement blocks to get Kitten to get to Tick. Remember, Tick's going to start on bump, so therefore we need to make sure that Kitten actually touches Tick. So Kitten is currently on 2 and Tick is at 18. So let's say that we want Kitten to move 16 because 16 plus 2 is 18. And obviously then we want them to move back exactly the same amount because this is going to go on forever. Okay, let's code Tick now. So we select Tick. Remember, we select the character we want to code. We're going to go to the yellow category. We're not going to use the green start flag. We're going to use the start on bump block so that Tick's programming only starts when Kitten touches them. We're first of all going to ask Tick to wait because we need a Tick to give Kitten some time to get away. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the blue category and we're going to add a left movement block because we want Tick to run after Kitten and go to the left of the screen. We then want Tick to move back once he's tagged him, and we want Tick's program to end there. Because Kitten's program is going forever, that will activate Tick, so we don't need a repeat code there for him. Okay, let's change the numbers. So we were saying, how far did we say Kitten was going to go? 16. So let's add 16 there. So they're going the same distance. Okay, what else do we need to do? Let's see if it works. Turn the grids off. Okay, so there's a bit of a problem there. So I'm going to press the red hexagon to stop it and reset. So what I think's happened there is we need Kitten to wait because Kitten is going before Tick gets to them. So we need to change that wait block from 10, let's say, to 50. Okay, let's try that again. So Kitten goes across, tags Tick, Tick then goes, tags Kitten back. Brilliant. Fantastic. Now that is going to go forever. So notice the green flag is now a red hexagon. To stop it, you just press that. So let's reset it and let's see what that looks like full screen. Fantastic. Brilliant. And again, just to remind you, because this is coded to go forever, we need to manually stop it. So we press the red hexagon, go back to our smaller screen, and here we can make any changes we wish in our code. Well done, everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.